Welcome back to our channel. We're going to go through this huge lot of Commodore 64 games that we picked up yesterday. I've got a little short on this lot that we picked up with some vintage posters. We paid $250 for this entire tote that was filled with these games, posters, and figures. But I want to go ahead and go through the Commodore 64 games first. And there's going to be some pretty good games in this lot. My editor and assistant Vincent's going to start handing me these games that are in these totes, and we'll get this video started. All right, first game up is going to be the Movie Monster. It's about a $8 game. Print Shop Companion, $25 on that one. Road Runner with the manual, $10. They have these games in different types of holiday bags, so bear with me. Test Drive with the manual by Accolade, $10. Flight Simulator with the manual, I would say $10. Rush and Attack, a Konami, $10. Epics The Games, $10. And if you hadn't already subscribed to our channel, we would definitely appreciate it if you do. And don't forget to hit that like button and share, because we do go to a lot of estate sales, yard sales, garage sales, you name it, private picks, and pick up some goodies. Pit Stop 2 by Epics, $10. Next one's going to be Micro Pros Gunship. This is probably going to be another $10 game. This looks like Commodore 64/128. I believe this is going to be one of them system, $10 on that. The Hunt for Red October game and the manual, worth at least $10. A nice one. Ghostbusters 2, at least $15 on this one. And we're going to auction these off here in a little bit on our Whatnot show, so I want to go ahead and do this quick video. Top Gun, $10. Indiana Jones and the Temple of Doom, $10. Echelon with the manual, worth at least $10. Jumpman Jr. disc only, $15 on that one. This was a nice one. Batman with the manual, $35. RoboCop with the manual, $15. Ghosts and Goblins, it's a $15 game at least. All right, the next one's gonna be the Beyond the Black Hole. That's at least a $10 game with the manual. Strike Fleet with the manual, at least a $15 game there. James Bond 007 Licensed to Kill, $15. Weird Dreams by Microplay with the manual, at least a $10 game, if not 20. All right, TV Sports Football, at least $10. It's got the manual. Double Dragon 2 with the manual, it's worth at least $20. Epics California Games with the manual, it's worth at least $10. Epics Summer Games 2 with the manual, it's at least a $5-10 game. Epics Summer Games with the manual, it's at least a $5-10 game. Sega Space Harrier, it's at least a $10 game. Night Shift with the manual, It's at least a $5 game, if not 10. Epic's The Games Winter Edition with the manual. Let's say that's at least a $10 game. The Three Stooges with the manual. It's at least a $10 game. Toy Shop with the booklet. We'll do that one when you hand me that. All right, actually next we're gonna do Epic's Winter Games. It's at least $10. Caveman Olympics. It's at least a $5-10 game. Toy Shop with this book. Here's the book, and there's the floppy disks for that. $20 for this set. James Bond 007, In the Living Daylights with the manual and disc. It's at least a $15 game. Corona's Rift by Epic Games or Lucasfilm, $15. Howard the Duck. This one's a decent one. With the manual, it's at least a $15 game. And we'll have everything tallied up there at the end. My editor will get that taken care of for me. Next game is going to be the John Elway quarterback with the manual. $10. Corona's Rift, Lucasfilm. I felt like we already did this one. $15 on this one. Unless if there's a duplicate, I'll have to go through that again. All right, World Karate Championship with the manual. Most of these games did come with the manual, so this one's a $20 game. 688 Attack Sub, disc it only. It's a $20 game without the manual. Ball Blazer by Lucasfilm, $20 on that one. And I believe it comes with the manual, either that or a manual and a poster. We'll have to take that out. If I didn't mention it, $20 game. Next up is Arcade with the user manual. At least a $10 game there. Silent Service with the operator's manual. It's at least a $15 game here. Aussie Games with the manual. It's a $10 game at least. Garfield, wow. With the manual, at least a $15 game. Blue Max 2001 with the manual. It's a $30 game. Star Trek with the book, the Promethean Prophecy. It's a $25 set right there. Roger Rabbit with the manual and gameplay disc. $40 here. Lucasfilm Games, the Eidolon game and manual. $20. Pegasus, PHM Pegasus Advanced Battle Disc. It looks like it comes with the manual and the booklet, worth at least $10 on that one. And the last few are going to be the ones I picked out that I think are excellent. And we'll start off with the Gremlins with the manual. At least a $15 game or more. We'll set that over here in my side pile. We've got Ghostbusters, disc only. It's a $20 game. Back to the Future 2 game and manual. It's a $25 game. Star Wars by Brother Broderbund with manual. $30. Roger Rabbit with the game and a poster. $35. Pipe Dreams with game manual and the game disc on the back. $50 on that set. Willow with the manual. Lucasfilm is on this one. It's a $30 set. Transformers game and manual, $25. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles game and the manual, $35 on this set. Then we've got Zack McCracken game and manual. It's a $50 set. Lucasfilms Games Maniac Mansion with the manual. It's a $60 set. And the last two are my favorite. The Goonies game and manual. Didn't realize these were in the tote, but that's a $100 set. And Labyrinth game and manual. I estimate this at a minimum $200 for this set. The game alone just recently sold for about $130. The game manual and the box recently sold for $400. So I've got a price tag on this at least $200. Let me know your thoughts. We'll have the total of the Commodore 64 game haul, part of this bulk buy that we just did yesterday, and the total will be right here. Let me know your thoughts, and if you haven't done so already, we would appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Also like and share our content if you like these type of videos. Until next time, God bless.